our routine work, we can't have it as our practice of the etheric. We should have some other items other than the routine. They may belong to some branch of art like music or painting or picture drawing or poetry, or it may be something like yogic way of routine, that is practice of meditation according to Patanjali, etc. Or regulating your activities in the path of devotion, daily trying to offer yourself up or dedicate yourself up to your own God. All such attempts, when done continuously with a purpose and devotion, they regulate your secular bodies, clean your etheric body, make it healthy and pure day by day. These methods are far more scientific than what the scientist knows about you. So, the one duty is to see that the etheric body is kept pure and regular. A good understanding of the network of the etheric body is required. You have many layers of etheric substance in your etheric body. The one is that attracts the heat and light from the sun's rays. That is the most important. As long as body, that center is working, we are expected to live without any medicine. And there is no possibility of contracting any disease at all or any contagion at all. That center is what we call the spleen center. Not the spleen, but the spleen center in the spine, which the ancients called Swadhisthana. It is responsible for the number of calories of heat that is being produced in your body. Our spleen center is attracting the energy from the solar rays. And there is another function to this spleen center. It converts the energy of the food material into the calories of heat. Your consciousness is not strengthened or enlightened by food, but the decomposition process that takes place during the assimilation and metabolism releases energy from the food atoms, and this energy is not at all physical, and that is released in terms of calories of heat. And when the purpose of the fuel is finished in what we call food, once again the matter is thrown away. The calories of energy in the form of heat is taken from the food material, and previously it was stored in the food materials from the sun's rays, and after receiving it is transformed into either electricity or magnetism or radioactive crystal.